The argument for the dating of the Exodus during the 13th century BC in the reign of Ramses II is the view held to by the majority of current academic scholarship. This position is known as the late date of the Exodus, and it is the view you are most likely to see expressed in textbooks, lectures, and mainstream documentaries. The late date view gives priority of interpretation to a straightforward reading of Exodus chapter 1 verse 11, which records the Israelites as having been put into forced labor in the construction of Pithom and Ramses. While the location of Pithom is somewhat debated, Egyptology has confirmed the existence of the city of Ramses in the Nile Delta region of Egypt. This city was one of the many constructed by Ramses II during his long reign as pharaoh. Its mention is cited by proponents as proof that the Exodus happened during Ramses' reign. Actually, if the late date reading of Exodus chapter 1 verse 11 is correct, then it means that Ramses II is the quote pharaoh who did not know Joseph. Rather than being the pharaoh of the Exodus, Ramses II would be the pharaoh of the oppression. This also means that Moses would have been born during the reign of Ramses and raised in his household. The Exodus itself would have taken place later, perhaps during the reign of his son and successor, Merimta. However, Merimta's victory stela records the autonomous existence of Israel in Canaan during his reign. The Exodus, therefore, had to have occurred before his time as pharaoh. This means that Ramses II must also be regarded by late-date proponents as the pharaoh of the Exodus. Herein lies the problem. Exodus chapter 2 verse 23 records that, quote, the king of Egypt died during Moses' years of flight in Midian. For this reason, proposing Ramses II as both the pharaoh who did not know Joseph and the pharaoh of the Exodus is not reconcilable with the biblical testimony, because the Bible says that they were two different rulers. So what's the alternative? You can check out the playlist link in the description for more of my own thoughts on who was the pharaoh of the Exodus.